got some news, and it's not too good. Check this on out. I'm going to start up the key here and watch. Yeah, right RR tire low, add air to tire, and let me show you how much air is in it. I might have passed it. 27, yeah, right, 0 PSI. Luckily, I'm not on the side of the parkway. Once I got off, I noticed I was losing 2 PSI about every 10 seconds. And let me show you the status of this tire. Yeah, we were totally flat there. Wrangler Duratrax, practically brand new tire, went completely flat. And now I have no way of getting out. It's not looking too good. We're now here stuck at the station. Tire's completely flat. I called in emergency services. I don't have AAA. I also, oh yeah, let me show you that. I also forgot to add that I have no, oh wait, what am I doing? I also forgot to add that I have no spare tire holder. I don't have a spare tire in my possession or anywhere in the world to my ownership. See, I think I took the, oh, I still have the key thing. Look at that. Yeah, I don't even have the tube guide. Oh yeah, I kind of have that. That is it. Nothing under here. Yeah, kind of an old school video here. Have no spare tire. Tire's completely flat. 0 PSI. Emergency roadside place that I called said they will not patch the tire because I've been driving it on for a while and it might explode and shrapnel will go everywhere and it'll just be a whole mess on the side of the road. Actually, the side of the gas station. Put some air in it and I'll drive it down to the Chevy dealer and then I'll park it there and then I'll just sleep in the bed of the truck and hopefully it doesn't rain. Oh yeah, I have no bed liner now. It'll be a very uncomfortable metal sleep. Always have a spare tire. I took the spare tire down and the winch off because I didn't want the rust. I took that down years ago and then I upgraded to a bigger tire size and I had a full size spare and I carried that around, but then I went down to this tire size and I sold that set of 5 and then I never got a new spare tire and now I am stranded here about 2 hours away from my homestead. And yeah, well, I don't know what I'm gonna do now. What am I saying? I think I figured it out. I'm gonna have to find some air, fill up the tire, hopefully that holds air, and then I'm gonna have to drive it about a mile off the highway and hopefully be able to get there without going flat again. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to call the tow and it's gonna be an expensive ride. About to lose all daylight there is. Flat tire, still out here, flat tire. Gonna find some air and hopefully the tire stays air, be able to get to the Chevy dealer. I'm about to try driving on the tire. I need to get it down there because there is an air compressor. Hopefully it holds air. Whole truck is shaking every turn. Luckily, just made it to the free air. Let's see if this works. I'm gonna pull up a little. Oh, we're filling it. I don't know if any air is staying in it or not. Freaking filling. Oh, tires going up. We might have victory here. I don't know how fast it's gonna deflate though. All right. Might be able to find the leak too. I probably should have brought some water. I do have some water. I could probably pour it on. Doesn't help that it's dark out. Water is somehow coming in through the air. Almost got a full tire actually. Here's the leak. If I keep my finger here, it'll stop. I bought one of these. I think the rubber is too thick though, and it's not gonna go into the hole of the tire. All right, new game plan. Just got this. I'm gonna use the rubber and this little piece of broken car piece to jam it in there because I don't think I can use any of that dang old rubber that's supplied in the kit. All I'm gonna be able to use is the rubber cement, and I'm gonna jam it as much as I can with this in there. And then hopefully we can get back on the road. Here's the rubber cement. I just punctured it with the little piece of plastic. Now I'm going to put it into the hole and see if that works. We got everything back in the kit. This is what I got this far. It ain't pretty, but it's honest work. I put a piece of rubber in there. It should now hold, I don't know, I'm gonna give it about 5-10 minutes to let it dry, and then we're gonna rip it down to the Chevy dealer, and then we're gonna get 4 new tires, hopefully 37 13.5. I'm gonna trim this sucker up to get them in there. I think it dried long enough. Let's give this a shot. Go. Dang it. All right. What's it at? What's it at? What's it at? 11. Shite. Doesn't feel that low. All right, I'm chancing it. I'm chancing it. Holy shit, we're heading on the highway. We are heading on the highway. It's 9. Four-ways on. All right, we just need 8. I am not making this up. It literally says 8. They were new. We need that exit right there. 1 mile, literally 1 mile. 8. This is sketchy. I have never done this before. I've gotten a flat tire at a gas station and my friends helped me put a spare tire on. However, I've never been in this situation. It seems to be holding 8. I can't really tell. It doesn't feel that different. The tire is okay. 7. Come on, man. We're gonna make it. There's the dealer. Yeah! There's the dealer. We're almost there. Please make it 4. We are on 4 PSI for that right rear tire. And we are here at the dealership. It says Subaru. It's also a Chevy dealer. And I'm hoping they have the tires that I have. The Wrangler Duratrax are fairly new. Good thing I have 2020 wheels and tires. All right, I'm turning in right now. We made it. I'll push the dang truck if I have to. Oh man, is this the time that I just traded in? Oh, no way. And just like that, we made it. 2 PSI. 2 PSI on the truck, and we made it to the dealer. They're not open. They're not open. I'm gonna have to walk somewhere and find a place to sleep into the woods. But hey, we made it, man. How about them apples, huh? Well, I should have checked the dang hours. They're actually closed tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday, and they're closed Sunday. And now I'm gonna have to just wander around town for the next 2 days until I can get the tire for my truck. Well, new day. Same old truck, still broken down at the dealer that's closed all weekend long. And I just stayed here at the hotel. And now I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably have to walk home about 8 hours. Check that out right there. That's awesome. Look at this highway bridge. It's all made out of wood. Well, now I'm stranded out here until I can get my truck back. In the rain, in person, right here, we got it. We got the truck back. Dang, man. They blew through my whole tank of gas. Oh, we're really out of gas now. I know it's a little dark out. I figured I'd learn my lesson, not drink out of those. There it is, brand new tire. Brand new tire on this truck. Look at that. You can still see the paint or the ink or whatever's on it. dot somewhere on the side of the tri bulb. It was too big of a hole in the tire and they couldn't patch it. I had to get a brand new tire. It cost me 270 bucks for a new Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack tire. 275, 55, 65, thank goodness, R18. I thought it was all for a second. Apparently the other tires were all 1632s. This one's an 1832 brand new. Hopefully we can get that down to a real amount of tread, not pop another hole, because I have no spare, still no spare. Ain't planning to get one either. After rolling around Bedford County for who knows how long, we are now back in the truck and we have a rear right of 35 psi. Yeah, we got a big storm coming. I gotta get home, hours to go. Hey man, thanks for joining me today. Thank you. Hasta la vista! What the heck?
We're still hauling ass. Like right here.
Yeah, dude.
It was like, it was horrifying. It was like this, dude, the whole time. The gas pedals.
And I debadged the decal on the door that said "Built with Pride" in Fort Wayne, Indiana.